Beautiful large 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath classic 2-story home facing the community park in the 9th Street Cottages neighborhood. Open floor plan with hardwood floors, stainless steel gas range, microwave, ecombo and Bosch dishwaster. A kitchen island with bar stool seating completes this great room concept that serves as dining space, family room and living room. All this with southern exposure for lots of light, a fireplace and sliders to deck. In the summer the community has Friday night movies and dinners in the park. Easy walk to charming downtown Snohomish, parks, trails and schools.